saglit, ating makikita ang kasaysayan nito. Ang mga Jesuitang nagtaguyod ng ating edukasyon, si Jose Rizal, o kaya ang mga masasayang alaala ng mga estudyante dito. Ngunit, sa isang saglit, sa likod ng mga pader na ito, ating makikita ang mga storyang malamang ating iniiwasan. Inaanyayahan namin kayo sa Ateneo Urban Legends. Kung ikaw ay nag-aaral sa Ateneo, malamang meron kang alam ilang mga storya tungkol dito. Ngayon, magtatanong tayo ng mga ilang estudyante sa loob ng kolehiyo para malaman kung ano ang mga ito.
Yeah, I heard that there are ghosts in the old communication department building.
There's a portal to hell and the Comdep.
There's a portal to hell at the Comdep. Pati yung Comdep, yun daw yung bahay ng mga elementals.
Merong paring naglalakad. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
I heard there's a lot in Comdep and Bellarmine.
Sabi sa akin ng friend ko, kasi meron siyang French class sa Comdep, sa yung katabi ng co-courts. Yung teacher daw nila, punento na. May floor doon na yun lang yung ginagamit. Kasi yung iba, parang haunted daw. Pinakwento ng janitor na yun nga, yung sa bathrooms daw, both boys and girls, parang bang tao, tapos biglang nagiging. Basta may mga nangyayari sa Comdep.
Ngunit, sino nga bang mas nakakaalam ng mga storya na ito sa Ateneo? Kundi ang siyang mga guro dito. Ngayon, ating tunghayan ang hindi naman nakapag-inabot ng istorya. Tunghayan!
Ang alam ko lang na urban legend was that there was this really beautiful teacher named Missy Maranata. Shots! The comm department, they would say about how there were ghosts there and Tony Perez would hold their seance there because it's so filled with spirits and that the Comdep was itself a portal. And of course, nilipat doon ng fine arts. Dun dun dun! There's a ghost in every building in the Ateneo.
Bellarmine o Bergman second floor. Nagkaklase doon. Siguro mga 6 o'clock na yun. Tapos dumaan daw, may pare na nagja-jogging. Tapos, dead mo lang yung mga estudyante. Bigla na-realize nila na, teka pala second floor.
Supposedly, si Sir Danton naman, ayaw niya mag-klase po sa G207 at sa G312 kasi may nakita siyang kid.
Ganito yan. Ang comm department kasi, many years ago, maybe more than 20 years ago, meron yung teacher na pinatay. He was murdered in cold blood. So, instant death yan. So, I think you know this, when somebody dies without saying goodbye, he or she returns to finish the unfinished task, no? Hindi ko naman yung naranasan dyan, pero some people have told me about it. You must remember that Ateneo before 1952, Yola Heights to di ba? Bundok, hill ito, bundok-bundok. So from Tandang Sora till here, up to here, yung Cruz Naligas, up to here, maraming puno yan. There were battles fought here in World War II. At saka baba ng Ateneo, maraming cemetery. So cemetery, forest, healing. So this was really considered probinsya. So there were, what I'm saying is there were battles fought here. Of course, people died. Ano ko lang dito, well, because you know you have to differentiate. There are elementals. Elementals are the spirits inhabiting the tree. Dami puno rito And the so-called maybe ghosts. They're everywhere, but you just have to learn to communicate with them and say no. And for me, these are not urban legends but real stories. You must remember Ateneo has been here for more than almost 60 years. And this used to be forest. And spirits always live in the forest.
Andito ako ngayon sa labas ng Department of Communications kung saan nanggagaling yung karamihan ng mga storyang ating narinig kanina. Ngayon, tunghayan, imbestigahan natin kung ano nga ba talaga ang nangyayari dito. Samahan niyo ako sa pagdidiskubre kung ano nga ba talaga ang katotohanan sa likod ng ito. We are now walking to the sites. Everybody, this is Brian. He's our paranormal expert. And right here you can see he's holding a wand. Okay, let's go to the comm department. The said.
What does the crystal ball do? The crystal ball do is to inspect. Before we go there, let's try first to create a circle of protection.
Want to take the video? Sige. We are now inside the circle.